Hey people, my good friends over at Banggood sent me these horizontal clamps to review by Duratech. As usual, they were free, but they wanted a 100% honest review where I could say whatever I liked. That is one of the things I do love about Banggood. They have some integrity. Now this is going to be a short review as, well, they're clamps. What is there to say? They arrived quick and in good condition, something that ordering from overseas is not to be taken for granted. No instructions, but honestly they're pretty self-explanatory. Pop them into a 20mm hole, slide them into position, and then pull the lever to get that final bit of clamping force. 70 kilograms of force apparently. I had 3/4 inch dog holes on my workbench, but I've been meaning to change everything over to 20mm, so I made a little jig on my CNC so I could use a 20mm force bit and enlarge my holes. There's a joke there somewhere, but I'll get into a whole lot of trouble if I went there. They fit nicely now, and yes, that's nicely tight. You have to really try to get this thing out. I think this is going to be perfect for bits and pieces like hand carving. The screws that go in from underneath don't work on my main workbench since it's made of a solid slab of 2x4s, but they should work fine in, say, a 18mm plywood or MDF workbench, and these really do secure things in place. Absolutely no chance of that moving. So they're made of mostly plastic, other than the clamping rod, which of course is steel, but it's tough plastic. Now, you can get metal clamps for dog holes, but a slip of one of your favourite gouges could give you a really bad day. You've got to think, are you going to damage your tool while you accidentally plough into a piece of plastic? No, your tool's going to win. The jaws are just rubber grips, but certainly they do grip the wood quite nicely. Now, how do they compare with a premium clamp? Let's say, for example, a Bessey clamp. Well, I wouldn't know because interest rates are very high right now, so I can't afford a remortgage to buy any Bessey tools. All joking aside, I'm sure they're lovely and everything, but at £99.96 retail versus the just under 30 quid for the Banggood versions, it's a no-brainer for me, a third of the price. And they come as a pair, but you can buy them individually too, which is nice if you just want to replace one. Personally, I'd be pretty happy with just 2 clamps.
I gotta tell you, this is pretty terrific. Yeah.
So, would I buy these? Absolutely. I'd be keen to see how the build quality compares to the Bessey clamps, but for something that just quickly grabs my work without any faff, they're fantastic and cheap. I'll put a link in the video description below as to where you can buy them, and if you're interested in any other good, cheap Chinese products, why not check out one of the videos here? Not this guy.